Okay, today we are going to discuss data objects. Last time we discussed data structures. Now data objects. Now what are data objects? These are memory locations. Memory locations in the programs that we write. Okay. So whenever a data object is defined, you have to tell the type. Now what is a type? It's a feature. Now what is a feature? Feature can be character, integer, hexadecimal, floating point, packaged. Okay. So there are data types of various categories in SAP. We have broadly three: user defined, that start with the keyword. This is a keyword types. So anything that occupies space is an object, and anything starting with data keyword is a variable, and a variable stores one value at a time. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll write this program. Copy SC38. Come on. Come on, I guess the server is slow. Seven, 35 objects, Windows 6, almost create. Program, save. Okay. Okay, types. This is a keyword starting with blue. Okay, types TY user 10 of size 10. Type character. Okay, it will only accept passengers of type character. Okay. Now, F name starting with data keyword means this is a variable type TY user. Now, TY user basically is of character, type character. So it is copying the features. It is copying the features of TY user. Okay, so these are data types created by custom made by users. And the value that we are giving, initial value is agency, middle name type TY user, material number type C, material description 40 type C, phone number type N, amount type package, decimals 2. This means this is a numerical but with decimal, with options of decimal. So it is, the data type is packaged. Okay, package. or call it, it's called package. Quantity, type C, unit like amount. Unit like amount, so it is also packaged. No length, type string. Days, 10, type integer. Okay. So no length is VAUSNET ERP company. Okay. First name is VAUSNET. First name is ERP consulting company. Amount is 23, 25. Quantity is 10. Unit is but given a calculation of amount by quantity. Phone number is 1234. And 1234 numericals are not inserted in inverted commas. First name is VAUSNET. Right? F name. Eight. F name. Eight. Unit. Eight. Now, what is this eight? Eight are spaces. M underscore name. Spaces. Nolan. Now, this is for next line. Okay. Check. Length specified combination with type I are ignored. Okay. Activate. Okay. If this is ignored, let's delete it. Direct processing. VAUSNET 2.33. This is the calculation and VAUSNET. So what is printing? Middle name, no length, unit. So what was middle name? Middle name was empty. Okay. Let's make this M name, amount, 8, quantity, 8, phone number. Okay. Activate. Direct processing. So you have ERP consulting because of the size limitation, because we have given a limited size. That's why it's not actually producing all of the length. Because M name, what is the size? M name type TY user is only 10. And what we are giving is more than that. Okay. If we give 20, yeah, still it is not giving the proper M name. Anyways, okay, let's move to the next level. Now, let me write a program. Okay, copy. Data object 2. Data v mactex type mactex. Now what is mactex? Let's find out. SC11. MAKT display. Now this is a table. MAKT is a table and mactex is the description of that material. Okay. Okay. V mactex. V over here means variable. So mactex is a variable because we are using it with keyword data parameters for input parameters. Okay. Input parameters pmatner type C and pmatner type matner. Select single. Select single mactex description from table MAKT into variable mactex, where matner is a field of MAKT, where matner of MAKT is equal to user's parameter of pmatner. Okay. Now next is pmatner, again the same, but this matner and this matner have data types which are different. This is character, this is type matner, which is material number. Right, v mactex. Pmat. Okay. Activate. Direct processing. See, character is limited pmatner. It has a search bar as well. This is only character, but this comes with matner feature of the table mactex field matner. Okay. So let me take mm01pp, execute material M and mm01pp. So what it is, what? Okay, and if I material M, mm01pp, it's printing for all the material. Okay. So what is doing? Whatever input it's getting, and if it matches matner, it will load into variable mactex, the details of mactex from table MAKT. This is how the logic actually works. Okay. Now let me okay. Next is vmactex type mactex, pmatner type matner, and we don't have the logic over it. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Parameters pmatner type matner. Okay. Okay, parameters, P Matner, type Matner. I've deactivated this one is the same actually. Okay. Initialization. What is initialization? What is initialization? Initialization is basically it initializes the data. What is the data? This is the data. Start of selection. Now, start of selection is the processing block. Okay. We'll discuss processing blocks very much in detail. Okay. But not now. Select MACTEX from MAKT. MACTEX is description from MAKT into variable when MATNA is equal to PMAT. Okay. Fetches single record or eliminate single to include all records. Select MAKTX from MAKT to VMATX where MATNA is equal to PMATNA. It's the same, but every select has to end basically. But if you use single, then we don't need end select. Okay. If we use single, we don't need this, but if we don't use single keyword, then we don't need this. Okay. Okay. Write the MACTEX. So we have to see initialization is working or not. MACTEX is unknown. Okay, MACTEX is not defined, so we'll actually remove that. It's not defined as a variable because it's already defined by SAP. Give it. (32) Initialization. This is what I actually wanted to show you. LAP9 FG. This is just random material. LAP9 FG, and it is actually producing VMACTEX and PMATNER. Okay. I hope you're getting the point. Control left pointed bracket and it deactivates. Parameters, we've already defined this. Parameters PMATNER, type MATNER. Spras is language. Parameter Spras. Select single MACTEX from MAKT to VMACTEX. PMATNER Spras is equal to P Spras. Simple logic. Okay. Activate. PMATNER is unknown. Edit. PMATNER line 13 is unknown. PMATNER. Okay. 32. Spras is English. Okay. And execute. Select single write VMAC text into VMAC text from Adner. Okay. Direct processing. MM01 PP. So it's not producing because we have a problem with this statement. And select. This is in between this block. Initialization type Magna type Spras. VMAC text type MacText. MacText. Okay. MacText from MAK18 to VMacText by Matner is equal to PMatner and Spras is equal to P Spras. Okay. Still not giving us the proper output, right? VMacText and PMatner. Still not, it is giving. Okay. Let's do one thing. Select MacText from MAK18 to VMacText where Matner is equal to PMatner and Spras is equal to P Spras. Okay. Write PMatner and VMacText and select. Activate. Or execute. It's not executing. Write material number, material description. Select MacText from MAK18 to VMacText where Matner is equal to PMatner and Spras is equal to P Spras. Okay. Parameters and initialization. PMatner. PMatner, Spras, PMatner, VMacText, and select, activate. Direct processing. MM01P English. It's still not producing. Write at position 5 material number and position 25 material description. MAKTX from MAK18 to VMacText where Matner is equal to PMatner, PMatner and VMacText, and select, activate. Execute. Okay, still not producing. PMatner type Matner obligatory. Okay, P Spras type Spras. Spras and initialization. Let's just not get into this. We just have to make this work. Okay. MM0P. Now this is obligatory, and you see this is a star. Okay. Now it is actually producing because initialization was getting into the way, and it was not allowing us to uh, produce the results. Sometimes you have to actually be very careful with these keywords. These can actually get into the way, and select up to 5 rows from MA18 to VMAC text, where MAT is equal to PMAT times pros, right at 5 PMAT and 25 VMAC text.
So from two time.
It's still giving a red MAC text, up 5 rows into VMAC text. Activate. LAP9FG, LAP9FG, that is producing the result. This is working correctly. Okay. So we have actually seen how data objects and data types work together, and sometimes some processing blocks can actually get into the way when you are producing the logic, when you're trying to get the output. Uh, some keywords can actually get in the way. Okay.